Hey everyone, today I'm excited to introduce you to a new game on Telegram called HAMSTER KOMBAT, with over 4 million active users. In this game, you have the opportunity to earn free tokens similar to Notcoin mining. You can find the link to this bot in the description below. To start earning, simply start tapping on this button. Additionally, there is a boost section where you can increase your energy limit and the token amount you receive per tap. What sets this game apart from Notcoin is that tapping isn't the only way to earn tokens. In fact, it's more profitable to focus on boosting your hourly mining for passive token earnings. As you can see, my balance increases even without tapping, thanks to passive mining. You will need to open the game every 3 hours to collect your mined coins. To boost your passive income, go to the Mine tab. Here you will find various upgrades that provide passive income. Each upgrade shows how many tokens you will receive per hour and its cost. Pay attention to the price and hourly earnings to maximize your returns. Also, don't forget to claim your daily reward in the Earn section. On the 10th day, you will receive a bonus of 5 million tokens for free. So, start mining and watch your token balance grow. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the game bot. Happy mining! That is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips and tutorials.